tour. Now go check out that man here, you know, so I'm giving the number right now. So now check out him right now here.
387-8008 Lando, Black River.
Yeah man, give me number again, Lando.
387-8008. Call me anytime.
Man. Yes some people. Thanks for joining the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Black River, St. Elizabeth. So yeah man, just take a walk with me. I'll show you some different places in Black River, St. Elizabeth, because this town, a lot of persons call this place ghost town, because after hours they don't really can get no taxi. I know it's a Black River are the first place we have electricity and also have a car. So I'm gonna give you a look at some footage of Black River. Nice place. And the place you get the best cocoa bread in St. Elizabeth is Black River. So take a tour with me, Fire Reid. So I am right across from Hendricks Wharf, and Hendricks Wharf, a lot of persons from all over, fishing area also, a lot of tarpon, big jackfish, sunuk, them places them catch them fish, you know. Black River Bridge. This project was completed on September 22, 1950. The cost of this bridge was $20,058.90. So walk with me. So as you can see, that's the Black River Safari. Straight ahead, that's where you can take a tour to the Black River Safari. Right under the bridge, that is the Black River. Yeah man, so this we drive upon every day. So yes, some people just take a walk with me on the bridge, on the Black River Bridge. Yeah man, so if I don't want to know, yeah, man, you can come on the bridge now, what you say?
Yeah, 150 really.
Well, from Chilean, they are not coming up, so they can come right and so come by the yam, you know?
I trapped me a long night.
iPhone card, regular card, SCM card.
New market.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Manners and respect, yeah. Manners and respect, boss. Blessings in, blessings cool. Manners, cool. Yeah man, so you have to wash off your heart, you know? So yes people, so right now I'm in the Black River Park area. So yeah man, so now want to relax, we can come right in the Black River Park area. Get some nice sea breeze. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. So yes some people, so remember to like up the video. Yo man, so if you don't like up the video, YouTube now gonna push it out. So remember to like up the video. Remember we're in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you see them old ancient building here. Yeah man, so them call it breadfruit. So right now we at the Waterloo guest house. Yeah man, a lot of persons know them guest house in Black River. Can't forget them guest house here, you know. Black River Anglican Church, known as the Parish Church in Black River. As you can see, built with a lot of bricks. This building was built in 1837. It's located at a corner of High and South Street.
Yes, sir. Oh, you work with him?
Yeah.
So we have to crocodile or a bird?
Crocodile.
Oh, okay. But I want to tell you all the while now. She comes from England.
Oh.
You see him again. You have to look good. So I'm going to tell you what is that you know. You can pick him up from here. See him later. You see him?
Nah, I'll pick him up, you know.
Yeah, man, I want to girl. I didn't call him. A crocodile, I didn't call him to you know. Good, you know.
So I'm better get a jump off a bridge and give him a tour when I time too.
Yeah, me carry all the while, man. How long to last month I carry him. And we left from 8 o'clock and we don't come back till 9, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, man.
So one next to like 2 of them over there.
Oh, what is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you're about there?
we carry most. I'm quite some call me and tell me say somebody anyway.
So yes, the people, so you want to say if you don't want a boat tour, now if you go check out that man, you know, so I'm going to give you the number right now. So now check out him right now, yeah?
387-8008 Lando, Black River.
Yeah man, give me number again, Lando.
387-8008. Call me anytime.
Man. Anytime, the man can take you anywhere from the river.
Okay.
You want to go fishing, the man can take you same way from the river. Yeah man, so check out Lando when you come to Black River.
387-8008 Lando, call me anytime.
Yeah man,
yeah
man. So you must call Lando when you come to Jamaica and you want a boat tour. You have to search over a place and you get the number right here. Just link up Lando. Long time I come to Black River and we know them man here. Long time I up on the waters.
Alright.
And we take care of it to Zane. So big up yourself, Lando.
Yeah, one love, one heart.
Yeah man, blessings.